I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying you have a Google Workspace account and admin privileges. This is required because Sites only supports access controls inside Google ecosystems. Once done, open your Google site and set sharing to specific people or your domain. Next, create a lightweight Google Apps script web app that will serve as the login gate. This script will check user identity or redirect to OAuth. Make sure to test the script with your admin account before embedding it into the site. Now build the gate. Write an app script function that reads session. Get active user, or implements OAuth to verify the signed-in user against an allow list. Once the logic is ready, deploy the script as a web app and configure execute as and who has access. Use domain-restricted or explicit accounts. Then copy the web app URL and embed it into your Google Sites page via the Embed URL option. This ensures users must authenticate or be validated before they can reach protected content. To finish, lock down page-level sharing so only approved viewers or your domain can open the site. Make the embedded gate the default landing page. Test using different accounts and an incognito window to confirm unauthorized visitors are blocked or redirected. If something goes wrong, check your app's script deployment permissions and the web app's access setting first. Make sure the script runs as you expect and the site sharing includes your allow list. If needed, redeploy the web app after permission changes and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.